I have been with DP since 7 months now, and it's been a great journey so far. One of my favorite things about working here are the kind of people that we work with, and also the kind of problems that we work with in terms of diversity of the challenges and the impact that we believe we are creating. What makes me excited to be in this role is the kind of storytelling that we do, but all of our storytelling is basis data. Using data to arrive upon insights is like solving all of those treasure hunt puzzles that most of us loved doing as kids. So, getting to do that professionally for me is a blessing. A data science job is different from other jobs in a sense that in data science we try to use data to understand the world that we live in a little bit better, and doing so requires objectivity and subjectivity at the same time. So I think that is what makes this particular field unique. To solve challenging problems, one of the things that has worked well for us is breaking down a bigger problem into smaller yet manageable problems, so that instead of directly going from A to Z, we can focus first on going from A to B and then B to C and so on. In my opinion, being a good data scientist requires a good problem understanding skills so that you know what you're looking for. Then, good technical skills so that you can manipulate and look into the data that you have, because the data volume that we have in 21st century is huge. And finally, that curiosity to keep digging in, to keep asking more and more questions from the same set of data, and to keep validating whatever you're finding.